In this project we'll be making a mini racetrack that can be placed on a desk or a shelf. To begin with, we need to search for an image of a racetrack we want to create. Track images can be found with a Google image search. We could also take a snapshot from an aerial map and then create the outline of the track. Once we have sourced an image in a CAD software, we can create a simple 3D model of the track. To attach the track to a base, a small tab is added to the bottom of the model. The next step is to prepare the 3D model for printing, and then begin the 3D print. While the track is printing, we can cut a small piece of wood to use as the base. In the centre of one side of the wood, a small hole is drilled to match the same size as the tab we created on the 3D model. The next step is to sand down any rough edges on the piece of wood to remove any sawing marks. To finish and protect the wood, a small amount of oil is wiped onto the wood surface with a cloth. With the 3D printed track finished, we can remove it from the printer and clean up any edges. Then the track is inserted into the wooden base by pushing the track and the piece of wood together. These mini desktop tracks can be made in various colours or sizes and is an easy way to display your favourite racetracks.